okay, if he says to you, hey, John, why are you really here?
Okay.
What are you going to say?
Just a fact. I'm here as a fact-finding mission to find out if there's a way that I can help your business.
Yeah, and look, you could say, you can do that, and you can say, and the reason is right. This is a, you know, I want to help more business owners. I've got a mentor, and he said, who do you know that potentially might be struggling in their business that you could, you know, you could help them, right? And you know, because so many people are out there like him, right? And they're a lot of business owners are embarrassed to admit that, you know, they need the help. They don't have everything in place. They don't have systems, you know, so they'll prefer to go under than fucking do anything about it. Right.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, I mean, he might know, I'm sure he knows a car detailing company. You might be able to do some sort of deal. And, you know, there's so many things and so many ways that you can help him, right? Just blow his mind.